Video lesson prepared by N. Markandaya, lecturer in chemistry, MVS Gout Arts and Science College, Mahbub Nagar, Department of Chemistry. Topic is molecular orbital theory in chemical bonding. So BSc first year, first semester. Here molecular orbital theory, MOT. Molecular orbital theory was proposed by Fowling. MOT explains mainly magnetic properties, bond lengths or bond order, etc. of molecule. Okay, mainly MOT, molecular orbital theory, explains mainly magnetic property and bond strength or bond order, bond length of the molecules. Okay, next one, according molecular orbital theory, orbitals of two atoms overlap or combine together forms molecular orbitals. This is very important points. According to molecular orbital theory, orbitals of two atoms overlap together forms molecular orbitals. Next point, orbital of atom considered as wave function represented with psi. Okay, orbitals of atom considered as wave function represented with psi. So this is the psi. The combination of atomic orbitals is called as linear combination of atomic orbitals, LCAO. The combination of atomic orbitals is called as linear combination of atomic orbitals, LCAO method. So according to LCAO method, the molecular orbitals are formed by the linear combination of atomic orbitals of constituent atoms of the molecules. Okay, according to linear combination of atomic orbitals, molecular orbitals are formed by the linear combination of atomic orbitals of the constituent atoms of the molecules. So linear combination means, so addition of the atomic orbitals or subtract of the atomic orbitals. So this atomic orbitals takes place the addition or subtract to form molecular orbitals. Okay. So next see, molecular orbitals are two types. One is bonding molecular orbitals. So this is the bonding molecular orbitals, and another one is the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. See here, first bonding molecular orbital, it is denoted as psi MO. Okay. A bonding molecular orbital is that which is formed by the addition overlap of the two atomic orbitals. Okay, a bonding molecular orbital is that which is formed by the addition overlap of two atomic orbitals. So then when loops of atomic orbitals of the same sign, so addition overlap means when loops of atomic orbitals of same sign overlap. So bonding molecular orbital is represented as psi MO is equal to psi A plus psi B. So okay, bonding molecular orbitals represented as psi MO is equal to psi A plus psi B. Next psi A. wave function of atom A, psi b is equal to wave function of atom B. Psi A is equal to wave function of atom A and psi B is equal to wave function of atom B. It lowers the energy and bringing about the stability in the molecule. Okay, this bonding molecular orbital is formed by the addition overlap of the atomic orbitals, and these bonding molecular orbitals lower the energy and brings about the stability in the system. Next, the probability density in bonding molecular orbital is given by the square of the wave function. Okay, the probability density in bonding molecular orbital is given by the square of the wave function. See here, psi AB square is equal to psi A plus psi B whole square. That means psi A square plus psi B square plus 2 psi A psi B. So here psi bonding molecular orbital square greater than psi A square plus psi B square. So this means psi A square. So this is indicated the bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, the probability density in bonding molecular orbital is given by the square of the wave function. That means psi A square. Here see, psi MO square is equal to psi A plus psi B whole square. That means psi A square psi B square plus 2 psi A psi B. It means psi MO whole square greater than psi A square plus psi B square. Okay, these are the atomic orbital wave function. This is the molecular orbital wave function. So molecular orbital wave function greater than the combination of atomic orbital wave function square. This is the bonding molecular orbital. Okay, bonding molecular orbital so has lower energy and so it brings the stability of the molecule. Next, antibonding molecular orbitals. It is denoted psi AMO square, psi AMO star. Star means indicate the antibonding. Star indicates the antibonding. So antibonding molecular orbital, so denoted psi star AMO. AMO means antibonding molecular orbitals. Okay, so molecular orbital formed by the subtraction of wave function of atomic orbitals. Okay, molecular orbital is formed by the subtraction of wave function of atomic orbitals. So here it is represented by, see here, psi star MO is equal to psi A minus psi B. Psi star MO is equal to psi A minus psi B. That means subtraction of wave function of atomic orbitals. Okay, so the molecular orbital formed is called antibonding orbitals. So these subtraction of wave function of atomic orbitals formed is called the antibonding molecular orbital. So this type of molecular orbital corresponds to higher energy state. It brings the less stability of the molecule. Less stability of the molecule. See here next, the probability density in antibonding molecular orbital is given by the square of the wave function. Square of the wave function. The probable density in antibonding molecular orbital. So see here psi MO star square is equal to psi A minus psi B whole square. That means psi A square plus psi B square plus 2 psi A psi B. Sorry, here minus psi A square plus psi B square minus 2 psi A sin B minus 2 psi A psi B. That means see here psi star MO whole square less than psi A square plus psi B square. Psi A square plus psi B square. So it indicated the antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital. Next. So in general, number of atomic orbitals combining form exactly equal to number of molecular orbitals. Okay. So in general, so atomic orbitals combining form exactly equal number of molecular orbital. So if 4 atomic orbital combined to form a 4 molecular orbitals. So if 6 atomic orbital combined to form a 6 molecular orbital. So exactly same number of molecular orbitals will be formed. Next, molecular orbitals are represented by sigma, pi, del, like that. Okay, antibonding molecular orbitals are represented by sigma star, pi star, del star, like that. Okay, molecular orbitals are represented by sigma, pi, del, like that. Antibonding molecular orbital indicated the star gurtu. That means sigma star, pi star, del star, like that. Okay. Next point, bonding molecular orbitals with the lowest amount of energy and stable. Okay, bonding molecular orbitals with the lowest amount of energy and stable. Next one, antibonding molecular orbitals with high amount of energy and unstable. High amount of energy and unstable. Okay. So for example, here take atomic orbitals. So these are the atomic orbitals. So here molecular orbitals. This is the bonding molecular orbital. This is the antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital. This is the energy. So if two atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbital, in that one molecular orbital having low energy than the atomic orbital. Low energy than the atomic orbitals. So this orbital is known as a bonding molecular orbitals. So and another molecular orbital having the highest energy than the atomic orbitals. Highest energy than the atomic orbitals. This molecular orbital is known as a antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbitals. This bonding molecular orbital so represented as psi. This antibonding molecular orbital represented so psi star. If the electron added in the bonding molecular orbitals, the molecule will be stable. The molecule will be stable. So if the electron added in the antibonding molecular orbitals, the molecule will be unstable. So bonding molecular orbitals lowest amount of energy and stable antibonding molecular orbitals with high amount of energy and unstable. Okay, next is here molecular orbitals from s atoms orbitals. So molecular orbitals form from s atoms orbitals here, s atomic orbital and s atomic orbitals. Two s atomic orbitals combined to form a, so like this overlapping of two s atomic orbitals by addition of the electron wave. So these are the s orbital in the round shape, so form a, so these type of bonding molecular orbitals. This is bonding molecular orbitals. So this is indicated by sigma 1s, sigma 1s. See here next, 2s atomic orbital subtract to form a here this is the subtraction of 2s atomic orbitals. So to form a, so like this orbital, so like this orbital is, so antibonding molecular orbitals, antibonding molecular orbitals. It is denoted by sigma star 1s, 1s sigma star. So these are the forming of, so overlap combination of s orbitals. So one is sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital, sigma star 1s is antibonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals formed by the, so addition overlap of the atomic orbitals, and antibonding molecular orbitals are formed by the subtraction overlap of the, so atomic orbitals, subtract overlap of the atomic orbitals. See here next, see here one s orbital and one p orbital, one s orbital and one p orbital. So overlap, addition overlap to form a sigma sp bonding molecular orbital. See the structure of sigma sp bonding molecular orbital. See here next, one s orbital and p orbital subtraction overlap to form a sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbital, sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbital. So this is the sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbital. See here next, bonding molecular orbitals of 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals. So the molecular orbitals of 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals. See here 2px orbital plus 2px orbital. This is addition overlap to form a sigma 2px. This is the structure of sigma 2px. This is the bonding molecular orbital. So next 2px, 2px atomic orbitals subtraction overlap to form a sigma star 2px antibonding molecular orbitals. See here structure of sigma star 2px antibonding molecular orbitals like that. So next 2py orbital. So 2py orbital, this is the 2py orbital, 2py orbital both are addition overlap to form a, so this addition takes place the side chain way. So pi 2py orbital, pi 2py orbital. So this is the bonding molecular orbitals. Next 2py orbital. So side overlap takes place to form a pi star 2py antibonding molecular orbital. This is the pi star 2py antibonding molecular orbital. Next 2pz. So 2pz plus 2pz orbitals side by overlap, addition overlap to form a pi 2pz bonding molecular orbital. This is the pi 2pz orbital. Next, so 2pz orbital antibond subtractive side by overlap to form a pi star 2pz antibonding molecular orbitals. Pi star 2pz antibonding molecular orbitals. See here, this is 2px orbital sign plus minus. So here also plus minus. See here in subtractive addition 2py orbital, this plus sign loop and minus sign loop, these are the overlap to form a this antibonding molecular orbitals. So these are the molecular orbitals of 2px, 2py, 2pz. Okay, so this is the molecular orbital theory. So okay, see again. So molecular orbital theory was proposed by Fowling. See molecular orbital theory ni Fowling kanugunnadu. So molecular orbital theory mainly explained అయస్కాంత స్వభావాన్ని మరియు బాండ్ యొక్క స్ట్రెంగ్త్ని, దాన్ని మనము బంధ క్రమం అంటాము. సో బాండ్ యొక్క లెంత్ని ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు MOT, సో రెండు పరమాణు ఆర్బిటాళ్ళు కంబైన్డ్ ఒకదానితో ఒకటి కలిసిపోవడం మూలంగా మనకి అణు ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అనేవి ఏర్పడడం జరుగుతాయి. సో నెక్స్ట్ జనరల్గా అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాలని సో మనము ఎట్లా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తామంటే వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ సై ద్వారా కన్సిడర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాలను సో మనము వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ సై రూపంలో జనరల్గా రిప్రజెంటేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ద కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఏ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్. అంటే అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్ ఒకదానితో ఒకటి కలిసిపోవడాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే మనము లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్గా మనము పిలవడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సో ది అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ molecular orbitals is formed by the linear combination of atomic orbitals. సో అంటే అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అనేవి సంకరణం చెందడం ద్వారా కానీ వ్యవకరణం చెందడం ద్వారా కానీ ఒకదానితో ఒకటి కలిసిపోయినప్పుడు మనకి మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అనేవి ఏర్పడడం జరుగుతాయి. ఇక మనకు మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అనేవి ప్రధానంగా రెండు రకాలు ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి బాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అని, యాంటీ బాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో బాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ సింపుల్గా మనము సై ఎంఓగా తెలియజేస్తాము. యాంటీ బాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్ని సై ఏఎంఓగా తెలియజేస్తాము. సై ఏఎంఓగా తెలియజేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ది సై ఎంఓ అనేవి రెండు పరమాణు ఆర్బిటాల సంకలనం వల్ల ఏర్పడుతుంది. సై ఏ ప్లస్ సై బి. ఓకే, సై ఏఎంఓ అనేవేమో రెండు పరమాణు ఆర్బిటాల యొక్క వ్యవకలనం వల్ల ఏర్పడుతుంది. వ్యవకలనం వల్ల మనకి ఏర్పడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీటి యొక్క డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీసుకుంటే వాటిని ఏం చేయాలంటే మనము స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏంది, సై ఏ psi MO హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తాము. దీన్ని కూడా psi A ప్లస్ psi B హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే A ప్లస్ B హోల్ స్క్వేర్ సూత్రం ఏంటంటే psi A స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ psi B స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 psi A psi B 2 psi A psi B. సో ఇట్లా మనకు ఎడిషన్ ఇదేంటంటే వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెన్సిటీ, వీటిని ఏమంటాం మనము ప్రాబబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఇన్ బాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్గా చెప్తాము. సో కాబట్టి వీటి యొక్క డెన్సిటీ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే psi మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్ స్క్వేర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ psi A స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ psi B స్క్వేర్, psi A స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ psi B స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ యాంటీబాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ తీసుకుంటే దాని యొక్క ప్రాబబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఇన్ యాంటీబాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది చూడండి, psi యాంటీబాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ స్క్వేర్ స్టార్ స్క్వేర్. psi A plus psi A minus psi A minus psi B whole square. That means psi A square plus psi B square minus 2 psi A psi B వస్తుంది. 2 psi A psi B వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి psi A psi star యాంటీబాండింగ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆర్బిటాల్ లెస్ దాన్ psi A square plus psi B square. So this is indicated the antibonding molecular orbitals. So next, in general, number of atomic orbitals combined from exactly equal number of molecular orbitals. So if 2 atomic orbitals combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals, 4 atomic orbitals combined to form a 4 molecular orbitals. So in that, half molecular orbitals are the bonding molecular orbitals. So another half molecular orbitals are the antibonding molecular orbitals. Okay, molecular orbitals are represented by sigma, pi, del, like that. Antibonding molecular orbitals represented by sigma star, pi star and del star, like that, del star. Okay, so next, bonding molecular orbitals are, so already we discussed, so lowest energy bonding molecular orbitals are lowest energy. So it is stability. So the antibonding molecular orbitals with high amount of energy compared to the atomic orbitals, and these antibonding molecular orbitals are the unstable. These antibonding orbitals are the unstable. Okay, next, formation of molecular orbitals. So these s orbitals addition overlap to form a bonding molecular orbitals, that is denoted sigma 1s, and s orbitals subtract overlap to form a antibonding molecular orbitals. It is represented sigma star 1s, sigma star 1s, like that. One s orbital and one p orbital addition overlap to form a sigma sp bonding molecular orbitals. S orbital and p orbital subtract overlap to form a sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbitals, and two px orbitals addition overlap to form a sigma 2px bonding molecular orbitals, and two 2px and atomic orbitals subtract overlap to form a sigma star 2px orbitals. Next 2py orbitals and 2pz orbitals form a pi molecular orbitals. Pi molecular orbitals. You see here 2px 2py orbitals form a pi molecular orbitals. So 2px orbitals, so sigma orbitals straight chain overlap, the 2py and 2pz orbitals so side by overlap, so then they will form a so pi bonds, they will form pi bonds. Okay, thank you.